Well, welcome back to Chinron. Today I'm going to be working on a Clean Max vacuum cleaner. The client dropped it off and they said it just wasn't sucking up any of the dirt off the floor. Really not a whole lot to this. I thought this was kind of interesting. We just got a nice little removable battery here. So sure enough, I brought it in and opened it up. And one of the things I discovered real quickly is when I do turn it on, that bag should inflate. And it starts to, but it doesn't, it's not inflating where it needs to be. I mean, it's obviously dirty. So all I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to pop the bottom of this off. Just like any other vacuum cleaner that we had taken apart, we're going to remove this bottom and see if we can find the clog. And it looks like all we've got is a couple of screws here. Actually, they're not screws. This is like a batten type of screw. All we got to do is just turn a little bit. Pop that off. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, that's simple. You know, they were all ready to throw this away, and it's caked on there really good too. Looks like it got wet. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and clean that all out of there. And look at that. You know, unbelievable. So let's just take our vacuum cleaner and clean that out. I think that's all it's going to be to it. Whew. Holy cow. Go ahead and put the cover on. These little plastic inserts here. I think we just need to turn that, lock it in. The same thing with this, lock it in. Let's see what that does now. Now I'm going to open up that bag again, just so we can see if it's inflating. Here we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Whew. That's simple. I believe they were ready to actually throw this away because they've had problems in the past. It looked like they might have gotten some water in there. Let's see what it does on this right here. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Look at that. Just like new. So, not a real complicated fix, but as you can see, a lot of times all you need to do is take these apart. And people are sometimes scared of doing that. You know, they're afraid of breaking something. Well, if it's not working anyhow, tear it apart and see what you can do. There you go. And that's how you unclog a Clean Max cordless vacuum cleaner. Hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for the next one.